Hello everybody, this is Super Trouble. I will be showing you how to add a Triggerfyre for your channel points today. And then we'll go here to welcome to Triggerfyre. Here you'll have to link your Twitch into it. And then this will all be blank for you. There's sounds and videos and images. And then you take this link here, this paperclip, and you'll get a link for it that you'll put into OBS. That's Triggerfyre. But this will show you we need to upload our video. Download videos. Alright, so we got a dancing cat around here somewhere. Dancing cat, green screen. There we go. This is the free version that I use. There is I think monthly fees on it that you can pay to add more space to it. There we go. Alright, so we want to click this, make sure that's the right video that we want. Okay. All the way to the end, click this green check mark. Alright, for your command name, you'll name it whatever you want. Dancing cat. And then you can click this, and you name it the same thing. Click save. Here you can put the size that you want it, how loud you want it, the position that you want it to appear if you don't want it random or whatnot. Alright, and then we click save. Alright, and then we go to our Twitch channel points. We'll go down to our viewer rewards, down to channel points. And then you can name this the same thing. Dancing cat. I always try these at low points because I'm testing them myself, so it doesn't really affect anything. Click create. Alright. And then we go, wrong button. And then you can go to one of your scenes that you have Triggerfyre in. We'll go to this main game scene. And we will go to our channel points and do this. Redeem this. And there we go. Once you learn the basics, there's so much more you can do with it. You can add sounds, sound alerts, and images, and then add sound to the images. I hope this is very helpful to you. If you have any other questions, you can always feel free to ask me. I try to help everybody on Twitch I can. On YouTube. Well, anybody that does any of these videos, or alerts. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and a subscribe. That would be very helpful as we're trying to grow our YouTube channel.